Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Hello guys, previously let me introduce myself. My name is Siva Amelia. My student number is 039 from Agribusiness C in Trunojoyo University, Madura. Here I made a presentation video as a midterm exam assessment, Dryland Community Development course. Let's go straight to the discussion, namely the literature review. The first is RRA, Rapid Rural Appraisal, is a refinement of the development approach method, which is actually based on comprehensive community involvement or involves more external parties starting from initial studies, planning, implementation to evaluation. The second is PRA, Participatory Rural Appraisal, can be called an approach method that allows village communities to share, improve, and analyze their knowledge about village condition and life, make plans, and act. The third is SLF. Sustainable Livelihood Framework is one part of the participatory research method. In addition to detecting vulnerabilities faced by the community, it is also intend to map the assets owned by the research object. These assets are human resources, natural resources, social conditions, financial condition, and physical assets. Next is the case study. The following case study illustrates the SLF or Social Enterprise Community pattern. So, Maringan Laut village is located in Kalianga district, Sumedang Regency. The dynamics of the community in the village have characteristics that are greatly influenced by the mutual cooperation lifestyle and dependent on agriculture as their main source of daily life. The livelihoods of the local community are generally related to the marine and fishery sector. As a coastal area, many residents work as fishermen, either catching fish in the sea or processing their seafood. In addition, there are also those who garden or farm, trade, and work in the household industry sector such as salt marking. Considering that Sumeneb is famous as one of the salt producing areas in Madura. Next is the problem is Maringan Laut village, which can be solved using the RRA method. The first is subsidies fertilizer that are not properly targeted. The second is many residents process seafood and produce salts using traditional method. And the last one is lack of supporting infrastructure such as adequate markets or training facilities. By using the RRA method, this problem can be identified quickly and participatively so that more appropriate solutions that are suited to local conditions can be formulated. Next, the community development strategy in Maringan Laut village includes: first is to verify the data of subsidy recipients by involving local governments, farmer group, and farmers themselves. Use a digital database integrated with electronic ID card or farmer cards to ensure legitimate recipients. Second is local government and the private sector can work together to build local markets that are closer to production location, so that farmers and fishermen do not have to sell their products outside the region. This market must be equipped with storage and transportation facilities to reduce post-harvest losses. Third is provide intensive training on modern processing technique to fishing communities and salt farmers, such as more efficient and hygienic drying, salting, and packaging technique. This can increase the selling value of product and extend shelf life. Next, social enterprise concept. The concept of social enterprise in Maringan Laut village has been begun to descend in the form of community-based cooperation, especially in the fisheries, agriculture, and salt production sectors, with strong social capital in the form of mutual cooperation and community involvement in local economic activities. This village has great potential to form SLF institutions that support economic welfare and environmental sustainability. The formation of cooperatives or joint business groups can be the first step is formalizing this social enterprise concept and supporting sustainable livelihood. The following are the reference I use. That's all I can say, more or less apologize. Thank you. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.